vid 3 of the boat. TPD-05. Getting ready to go take it to launch it.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, not
Oh,
the.
yeah. I'm the help. Yeah, good to see you all. Yeah.
There's Oscar.
It's all good.
Oh, here we are. Got the Minn Kota Edge on. Got the bow light. Humminbird depth finder and temperature gauge. Got the cable controlled hardwired in. Dr. Greg fixed the engine with the broken cable. Inside we got the bilge, the live well pump there. We put in one of the 2 batteries. He did some 90-degree connects there so we could put in the full-size 16-gallon. And got the dash all done. Still need to put on the new control box, but we're getting there. Windshield's back on. We're gonna go see if it leaks or if it swims.
In the first initial Dominator float test.
Here we go.
Here we go. He looks a little nervous, folks, but you know, he's good. He's good.
This would not be a good day if I didn't have Dr. Greg Rexroth doing the build for me.
Yeah.
This would be on blocks for about another 8 years, like my car.
If you don't bleed on it, you're not fixing it.
Yeah, I just wiped off some blood right there. There's
Where?
a little remnant right there.
Oh yeah,
Right
yep.
there.
Oh yeah, a little more blood.
Yeah.
All right, well we gotta go, folks.
Yep. There's Oscar in the back of the truck. Look at that sexy son of a bitch. God damn. Back is dry. There isn't a drop. Alright, it's peeing. Yeah, I see a little on the right side here. The maiden voyage.
The maiden voyage. a Diamond-Eater.
Using the Brody knob already. Husky.
Oh my gosh. Boat captain.
Hi, my lady. May 12, 2012. Final update for the boat. Boat is complete due to my buddy G-Rex working on it like crazy with all of his help. I think it came out awesome. So I have the trailer primed, ready for paint. Added some diamond plate on it from the scrap yard. The stepping areas there. We never did reupholster boat. I just think it turned out a lot cleaner this way, lighter, we can go faster. Boat goes up to about 44 miles an hour. There's a teak floorboard. Finished up with the access hole for all the wiring. This is all hardwired in. This is hardwired in. The live well, second live well into a cooler. It just drains out the back and goes out through the bilge pump. Storage. Put on troll rod holders. New gearbox. Chart light. JV welded some rough spots with the fuel tank. Got dual battery. Dual battery, one for the trolling motor, the other one for everything else. There's a Minco charger. Screws in the front here, they hold on the kick plates. Fire extinguisher. Cup holders. Got the flip down cup holders. Thanks for watching.